Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can tip your Uber Eats driver. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are two ways you can do it. You can also do it before placing your order, and you can also do it after order, and apparently you can also do it after in order history, but that will be for that, right? And apparently you can also do it after in your order history as well. So first step, you simply have to go through your ordering process. Go to ordering process. Once you have ordered, chosen your food and the amount itself, you will find an automatic in the checkout section, a tip section. Go ahead, add in the tip however much you like, tap on confirm, and your tip will be added, and your payment will go accordingly. Next thing is after delivery, you can add a tip after delivery. You will be emailed an updated receipt that will include the new tip as well. Once the delivery has been done, you can go to your app and can add a tip for them as well. Next up is, let's say afterwards you would like to add or you have forgotten, then you can go to your order history in the order history, and then go to past orders, choose the one that you would like to tip to, add in the new tip and confirm it, and that's how you will be able to add a tip accordingly. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.